loyal travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, the pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the American Express Gold Card. Overview. If you want to earn American Express membership rewards points, the American Express Gold Card is the best mid-range alternative. Some cards offer bonuses for dining, while others offer bonuses for U.S. supermarket purchases. But the American Express Gold Card leads the market by delivering 4 membership rewards for every dollar spent on almost anything you eat or drink. For foodies, this card offers a wealth of bonuses, such as high continuous rewards at U.S. supermarkets and restaurants, as well as a yearly meal credit. Up to 5 approved cardholders may enjoy the card's travel protection advantages at no additional cost. Users of this card can be as young as 13, making it suitable for family use. The annual percentage rate of this card varies from 17.49% to 24.49%. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the American Express Gold Card. Pros. 1. Outstanding point incentives for flights, meals, and grocery shopping. The 3 points for every $1 spent with airlines outperforms the rates of the majority of cards, even airline-specific credit cards, which normally offer 1 or 2 points for every $1 spent. The American Express Gold Card's broad redemption options and 4x rewards rate on dining and supermarket purchases may be more valuable if you carefully arrange your point rewards. 2. The annual charge is largely justified by the dining and Uber credits. If you use the card's $10 month Uber credit and $10 month dining credit at Shake Shack or a few other participating restaurants, or by using Seamless or Grubhub to place an order, you might somewhat offset the $250 annual charge. 3. One-to-one transfers to numerous airline and lodging partners are among the redemption choices. 4. Flexibility in payments using pay over time and plan features. With its pay over time feature for purchases over $100 and a revolving line of credit that assesses interest on any balances carried forward, American Express has increased the flexibility of payments on its cards. Additionally, for a fixed fee, their Planet features enable payments for substantial purchases to be divided up and made over a predetermined number of months. 5. Possibilities of earning a lot of money. 6. Option to transfer points to numerous partners. 7. There is no additional annual price for adding up to 5 authorized users. 8. Able to select between standard and rose gold variants. 9. No foreign transaction fees. Cons. 1. Lack of lounge perks. 2. Fewer possibilities for carrying a balance. 3. High APR for the feature of pay over time. 4. High APR for late payments. 5. The yearly cost is significantly higher than what many other cards charges. Rich reward cards typically cost around $95 a year, making the American Express Gold Card's $250 annual fee one of the higher costs available. 6. In comparison to Visa and MasterCard, American Express is less generally accepted. Even if more stores accept American Express, using a Visa or MasterCard will still make it easier for you to pay at both large and small businesses. Particularly so in foreign markets where American Express's reach is somewhat constrained. 7. Warehouse club and superstore purchases do not qualify for supermarket incentives. You won't be able to benefit from the card's supermarket rewards rate if you typically shop at places like Walmart, Target, Costco, or Sam's Club. We heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to the ways you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. The Amex Gold Card's reward scheme is as follows. In addition to takeout and delivery, Restaurants in the U.S. provide 4 membership rewards points for every $1 spent. Purchases of up to $25,000 every calendar year. Earn 4 membership rewards points at American supermarkets. Thereafter, 1 point for every $1 spent. 3 membership rewards points for every $1 spent on flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express travel. 1 point for every $1 spent on all other eligible purchases. The Amex Gold offers the following welcome incentive as well: 60,000 membership rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. American Express membership rewards points are beneficial due to their adaptability. You can use your points in a variety of ways and for a range of redemption values. Statement credits for card charges are an alternative, as are paying with points at the register or buying gift cards from Amex, several airlines, restaurant chains, or retailers, with values per 10,000 points redeemed. One of the simplest uses of membership rewards points is to book flights through American Express Travel, where each point is worth 1 cent. As a result, the airline will treat the travel booked with points as a cash flight, and it may earn miles based on the fare code and price of the ticket. Transferring your Amex points to a travel partner will typically maximize their worth. While this isn't your only choice for redemption, you can pay for charges on your account with points, purchase gift cards, shop at Amazon, or utilize Uber. Additionally, Amex lets you book travel directly using points. All of these redemption options, with the exception of transfer partners, are well below TPG 2 cents per point valuation. The American Express Gold Card is most suitable for consumers who frequently dine out because of the card's large dining and airline points and credits, which help to offset the $250 annual fee. The card is a great option for people who spend a lot on groceries because it offers generous rewards on grocery purchases. But it's also a card for people who want to learn how to use points in rewards programs instead of using a cashback card, which is a more convenient way to get money into your account. Given its high annual fee, the card might not be worthwhile if you don't frequently buy groceries at supermarkets, at least after the first year. The same may be true if you don't go out to eat much and won't use its fantastic restaurant rewards or $10 monthly credit at certain restaurants and Uber. It's also not the best option for individuals who would rather straightforwardly receive payment. A substantial cashback credit card can be a better option if you have no interest in learning everything there is to know about rewards programs. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as 8 out of 10, the benefits as 8 out of 10, the lower fees as 2 out of 10, and the customer experience as 9 out of 10. For the majority of travelers, the American Express Gold Card represents good value. At restaurants and U.S. supermarkets, you can earn 4 membership rewards points for every $1 spent. This is one of the highest rates in the business. Membership rewards are versatile and simple to use. The eating and Uber advantages, if used, can make up for the $250 annual charge. This wraps up my review of the American Express Gold Card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.